Hey guys, this is Autumn, and today it's a decently nice day out, and I'm gonna go check out the chickens, see what they're up to. Maybe you can show you the routine. Hi girls! There's my Sunset. There's Foxy and Oddball. There's Elegant, and then there's Fancy. Hi girls, you hungry? You have a nice time? I bet you loved your clean coop yesterday. Let's go see. So yeah, I cleaned their coop about this time yesterday sometime. Not too hot or anything, so this is just a board right now. Man, I'm so not used to the water used to be here and they all had to crowd in. So I put it over there. I heard the cat too. Hi girls, did you lay me some eggs? So they got some nesting boxes. They don't really use this one. They just kind of lay in them and poop in them. Nice girls. So let's see here. The golf ball is so that way they know where to lay their eggs. And I got 3 of them. This one's eggs are always weird and wrinkly. Like shell wrinkly. Break them, don't break them. Let's see here. I have to figure out how to grab them one-handed. I could just hold one. That golf ball works pretty good, but sometimes I think it's an egg I left behind and try to lay on it. I know you girls got plenty of food still. I'll give you more later, but still. So yeah, I just cleaned this yesterday around this time. Nice girlies. You be good chickens. Be good girls. So yeah, those are my chickens. Sadly, we only have 5 anymore. Stupid predators. The girls. They're closest. Here, start this for a while. Sorry. Hope that didn't stop the video. 3 eggs today. Here. Oh, they must have pooped on them again. They have a bad habit of pooping on their eggs. Well, let me see here. Tomato garden is looking lovely. They like coming to me when they're in or out. Nice girls. Good girls. Yeah. Hi, Oddball. You did so good today. You guys laid me 3 eggs. Maybe if you want, you can lay one more, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the other one? Foxy. Oh, there you are, girlie. Yeah, I don't think one ever lays. Because we really, if only ever get one light brown egg. But today, nope. None eggs at all, except for these ones. I'll check on them later, though. And then when their waters are empty, I'll fill it up with that hose that leads up to the house. It's a beautiful day out, though. Huh. Well, I'll see you later on for feeding time. See you guys next time. Bye.